The Microtech single-use injection needle comes packaged sterile, 10 per box. The labeling includes the order number, the product size and specifications, date of manufacture, and use-by date. Each injection needle is packaged in a plastic peel pouch. Open the pouch and carefully remove the injection needle from the packaging and uncoil. The injection needle consists of a stainless steel needle attached to an inner sheath and handle with luer lock hub. A luer lock syringe can be securely attached to the handle for injection of materials. Prior to use, ensure that the device is undamaged and has no unintended sharp edges. Operate the handle and verify needle advancement. Do not use if the needle doesn't deploy. Prime the solution into the injection needle to remove the air and flush the inner sheath. Release the lock on the handle to retract the needle into the outer sheath. Do not use if the needle doesn't retract into the sheath. Slowly advance the device into the channel of the endoscope using short, deliberate movements until the distal end appears in the endoscopic view. Adjust the endoscope to the target injection position. With the outer sheath in endoscopic view, advance the needle into the accurate position slowly. Firmly press the handle to its furthest limit so the needle tip extends out of the outer sheath. If you only press the needle halfway, it may cause the needle to retract rather than puncturing the mucosa. Advance the needle into the mucosa, and when directed, use the attached syringe to perform the injection as required. After injecting, depress the plastic shell handle ring to retract the needle into the outer sheath. Caution: ensure the needle is fully retracted before removing the device from the endoscope. Repeat as needed. Upon completion of the procedure, dispose of the device according to guidelines for biohazardous medical waste.